Okay, y'all, see my truck is in derate mode. I don't know why something going on with the SCR system, but this like the second time it done did it in like 3 weeks to a month or something like that. But what I do is I just go add some more depth. I go add depth in it, and I try to idle it up once I done added the depth in it. We're gonna see how it do. We're gonna see how it do once I put 7 gallons in it. So yeah, I usually drive it, but since I'm parked for the night, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna idle it up real high. Stay tuned. Okay, what we're gonna do is it might let me idle it up a little bit, but we're gonna idle it up. We're idling it up, and we're gonna see. We're gonna see if it's gonna go back down this time. We're gonna see if all the lights gonna disappear and everything. There we go. Okay, we back in business. So if you ever had this issue, just go add some depth to your truck. Before you call the shop, they start running up your bill, thousands and thousands of dollars. Go add you some depth. A lot of times, sometimes, you know, you want to add, you don't want to fill your depth tank up. You want to put enough, you know, to make a difference. Maybe 2, 3, 4 gallons. That's about it. If that don't work, go inside the store and buy the depth that's in the jug. Buy you one of them, 1 or 2 of them, or buy one at a time, you know, and come back and put it in your truck and idle your truck up. Don't just let it sit there and run at normal idle speeds. Just go ahead, idle it all the way up to, you know, above 10, and let it run for a little while. Sometimes it takes longer than others, but this is what I've been doing. So that's a tip for you. Maybe to save someone thousands of dollars. I hope it helped y'all.